Hi everyone. Today I am stopping by to share with you an unboxing. This is products that I received from Beebeecraft. This is a sponsored video. So if you're any bit interested in seeing what I have to share with you today, then keep on watching. All right, now that we've got that situated, let's get into this video. Now, it came in this package here, and then it was wrapped in this package here. So they are very mindful of protecting your shipment. Now, these are my items right here that I am sharing with you today. My first item is this, and excuse me, I am looking over here at my monitor so that I can give you correct information. So this item right here, it is so pretty. And let me show you the item description. This is what the package will say. And this is Crystal Rhinestone ribbon. This ribbon is heat resistant. It also is able to be cut with scissors and an X-Acto knife for your own customization. Look how pretty and glam it is. I love that it has the shimmers of the black, the blue, and the greens. It is so beautiful. And this is the back side. So I'm thinking once this heats up, it becomes tacky. So it will adhere to whatever you're applying it to, far as once it's being heated. So I wanted to share this with you. This is the color black. And then I have one that is in gold. This is absolutely beautiful. And it is 2 yards and it is 3 centimeters wide. So 2 yards long and 3 centimeters in width. Also, this can be used, like I said, basically on anything. You can apply it to decor pieces. You can apply it to clothing. And it will make any and everything look fabulous. So that is that. And then I have the rhinestone chain link. This is a multi-pack. This is how the package will come. So it is 2 rows. You have the silver and you have the gold, and they are both 2 millimeters in size, and that's the size of the rhinestones. And I have shared this with you before. And again, they secured the part that you will unroll with plastic. And this is 2 millimeters long. I mean 2 millimeters Rhinestone. And I have the silver as well. Silver. So you have the gold and the silver. And then I also have the multicolored chain link. So we have the multicolored, the gold, and the silver. And they all are 2 millimeters in size. It is a 10-yard spool, and it covers your pieces beautifully with the glimmer and the shine that it gives. All right, guys. Thank you for stopping by and viewing my video. And I also want to give a big shout out to Beebeecraft. I thank you for your continuous support by sponsoring my videos. Now, while we're on the subject of sponsorship, you know Beebeecraft has a sponsorship program for all YouTube creators. As long as you have 100 subscribers, you too can receive sponsorship. I will have that information in my link down below. Now, if you also just want to purchase some of their fabulous products, I will have a coupon code in my description box as well. So thank you guys for your continuous support. Thank you, Beebeecraft, as well. And please, please, please have a blessed and lovely day and be a blessing to someone else. I will see you guys in my next video.